Close the fucking door.
I'm fucking trying, man.
You gotta do the top half first, then the bottom half.
I got it. Oh, now the bottom popped out.
All right,
Now it's totally fucking boned.
All right. Sorry,
This is Balin's new trailer. Let's go on a little tour of it.
Roast it.
We got factory wheels installed in 1971.
77.
1970. Yeah, sure. Okay. 1977. Factory, never been touched. They're disgusting. Let's go on over here to this fucking disaster.
The propane leak section.
Let's see. We got some what used to be 8 gauge and is now 22, hooked up to a battery that would probably burn the whole trailer down if you didn't maintain it properly. Over here we have the explosive nightmare. If you listen closely, you can hear gas running. Pro tip, there's no items in the trailer turned on that use gas. Gas is flowing. Most of the things are rusted, falling apart. There's tape to probably seal a gas leak.
Oh, is there? Oh shit, I didn't even know about that.
Yeah,
Fuck. That's news
that probably
to me.
doesn't work. 7-pin trailer harness. Yeah, that's fucking useless.
Does nothing. It does absolutely nothing.
Don't even talk about the 120 volt side. You don't want to fucking know about it. Water heater. Previous owner fucked some shit up and burnt the
Gas valve.
yeah, the gas valve. So Balin took it upon himself to make it 10 times worse and welded some gas line with a different gas valve, and then did that to the front to make it fit.
It's still under a little bit of tension.
Yep, fuck it. Let's head on up to the roof over here. Yeah, that leaks. That's all you need to know about that. Most of it's held together with duct tape. Door doesn't work.
At best.
That's custom right there. That's not factory. That is 100% custom. Let's go in on the inside. Let's check out the bathroom.
Let me just shut the door real quick.
Oh, you almost had it.
Oh, God, it's latched.
Here we have.
That 12 volt light works, and the sink is cracked from the engine that was in it. So you can see the crack in the sink.
I told you it was gonna fucking crack. We got a solar panel here. Let me step in the shower. Maybe you can see how big this thing is.
Would you like me to hold the camera?
I'm backed up against the wall. Here's where the shower curtain is, right here. Yep.
Look up so you can see how close you are to the ceiling.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty close. Pretty close up there, too.
Oh, did you mention the soggy cushions?
I was getting to that.
Okay, alright.
So we got a bed over here. That isn't in the best shape. I'll keep the camera as straight as possible. You can see how warped that is. Mostly due to the fact that it's just pretty much leaning on the curtain. That was factory. Air doesn't seal very well. Duct tape, obviously. Furniture, top fucking notch though.
Oh yeah, if you lean it back, you can watch it wiggle all the way up here.
Yeah, that's factory. That's supposed to do that. Let's see. I don't want to turn the water on because we're gonna. Yeah, we're already flooding it.
I actually do bleed out the pressure because otherwise it'll leak at the pump and in the shower. They both leak.
Huh.
Bad.
All right. You might want to censor this. This is a feature video.
Spoilers.
And then if you take a quick sharp look up, yeah, black mold. The whole roof leaks. When it rains, if I push up on this right here, a couple of gallons of water will pour out of this crack right here.
I'll include that video clip I have.
Perfect, right here. Put it in right there.
So this just started.
All right. Well, that's his trailer.
Did you mention that this is all the splatters from, I assume, when water was pouring down? This is the only one that works with the button. So what happens is you push the button and the latch goes in. Very attractive. All of the other ones. Oh, that one was working. All of the other ones have these aftermarket things because these buttons stop working because of what I just it wouldn't open. I hit the button earlier and it wouldn't. Ooh. No wonder I didn't know these were in here. The fucking button stopped working.
On the 120 volt side, this is designed for an AC unit that I'm assuming was originally up here. The roof was replaced. They obviously did not do a great job. We tested impedance from this outlet to the breaker panel down there. Voltage drop on this outlet is almost at 100%. At 120 volts going in, we get about 3.5 volts coming out. It's delicious. They also pretty much didn't give it its own breaker. They just tied it into this outlet right here.
For the light bulb.
That's disgusting. I'm going to zoom in on that. You can tell me what the fuck's going on there, because I don't know.
I think those shirts under my bed are still wet from the waterfall.
It's definitely moist down here. You can smell the mold. And everywhere you look, there's water damage. I mean, you can look literally everywhere. Water damage. Yep.
The can is brimming with batteries.
Brimming with spiders. Pilot light in the stove is not lit, and that's a little spooky because the pilot light does not have a valve on it, and it just spews propane out on it unless it's lit.
There's no thermocouple. It's a very, very, very small flame, so it's always on regardless. Normally you have a thermocouple, and if a flame goes out, the thermocouple gets cold and it shuts off gas, but this is not, that does not. There is no thermocouple on here, presumably because it's such a small flame. When you turn it on burner, the pilot light actually gets larger. It almost like quadruples in size, and then there's a delay for a little bit as it heats up the thermocouple, and once the thermocouple gets up really, really hot, then it opens a valve and turns on the main gas. The thing is, if the pilot light is not lit and you turn it on as if you're going to use the stove, it quadruples the gas on the pilot light regardless. So if the thermocouple never gets hot, I believe it will continue dumping 4 times as much gas out of the pilot light forever.
That's beautiful. This is parked on my property, and I think I'm going to call the fire marshal here soon. Tomorrow's Sunday. That probably won't work very well. As you can see in here, if I turn off my light, lighting is pretty sub-fucking-par. Here's where you eat dinner. You sit down on here, and yeah, let's take a nice quick bite of that thing I can't fucking see.
Well, and this fixture, the most significant and central fixture in the entire trailer, was 120 only. There was not 12 volts. This has a 12 volt bulb in it. It also has a 120 volt bulb. And actually you can see that in the bathroom. There's a 120 bulb and a 12 volt bulb. Both of those fixtures above the bed have 12 volt bulbs, and the one in the bathroom. The only fixture in the entire trailer that was missing the 12 volt bulb was the central defining fucking fixture. So what I'm gonna do, that's why I've ripped this out and put this disgusting goddamn jumper lead in here, is because I'm gonna rip out that fixture down there that is currently dangling by the 120 volt wires and wire nuts down below there. Dangling by wire nuts. I'm going to put that fixture, because these fixtures are identical, I'm going to install that fixture here, so I'll still have 120, but I'll also have a 12 volt fucking bulb. And then I'm going to take this fixture, which you're currently borrowing in your... By the way, I saw you switched it out to a CFL. I want my bulb back.
It broke, or I would. I was unscrewing the bulb to transfer it to a CFL and just shattered.
I don't have any spares!
I'll get you a nice... What the fuck is that? I'll get you a nice toasty 100-watt bulb so you just destroy whatever wiring's in it.
And then I'll put that, because that fixture is identical, I'll put it down there. So I'll still have 12 volts at the head of my bed. I will not have 12 volt light at the foot of my bed. It doesn't fucking matter. So I'd rather have fucking 12 volts here. So, and I'm running jumper wires because it doesn't matter. This trailer is literally disintegrating and molding into the ground. So this is the least of my fucking problems.
Future project coming in here, you're gonna have to censor that as what's that?
Am I censoring you? What am I censoring?
No, the
engine?
Here coming up soon, we're gonna be doing a video on this new house we're gonna be fixing up. I just threw this outlet on there. That's speaker wire, by the way. Pro tip: speaker wire ran to that 100-watt bulb coming out of that porch light over there. We're gonna make that right later. We're also gonna be removing this tree up in here. It's right in the fucking way. Covering up the undercarriage of the trailer because I don't like cold floors anymore. Eventually, we may be doing a video on transferring this, converting this over from a gas water heater to an electric water heater, a tankless electric water heater. It'll be a fun video, lots of electric wiring, lots of disgusting shit under that trailer I'm going to crawl through.
I cannot guarantee we will be producing any of the videos he has mentioned. Some restrictions apply. See store for details. Not available in all states.
You know what? Fuck you. Also going to be putting in a washer for a... Fuck me, I fucked that all up. Fuck! We're also going to be doing a video on a dishwasher install. You have to cut this together, I hope you know. Trailer did not come with a dishwasher. And there's no water or electrical for this, so we're going to be putting that in.
Yeah, baby, yeah! There it is!
So this is super crazy dangerous. I think you need about 300 amps. You riding this?
What the fuck is happening?
Balin said not to talk crap about this Karen. It's a piece of shit.
That right there is Balin Mania, and we are going to do something really stupid today. This is a terrible idea. Balin might die.
This is so unbelievably sketchy.
That's the power of really old engineering.
Why must you put me through this, you jerk? Hey, aren't you the guy with the truck? Oh, shit.
Not okay.
Make a wish, everyone.
Make a wish.
No, I'm not doing this.
Go, 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 go.
You went too far. Someone doesn't stop us. I have no faith in authority at all.
He's making me uncomfortable.
That shit burns well.
Yeah, it does. That's good tape.
He's still looking at us. We should probably leave. Yeah, he is. He's intently staring at us.
This guy, man. This guy.